In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change soul color in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. After you acquire the soul color selection game pass, you will be able to pick the color of your soul at this specific NPC in the Purgatory. So first, I recommend that you do the process of acquiring the game pass outside of the game itself. So go back to the Arcane Lineage page and you will be able to go over to all of the passes available for the experience. One of them is going to be Soul Color Selection, like I mentioned. So as you can see between the two options, you will be able to select this one for 100 Robux. Now, sadly, I won't be able to purchase it in this video, but all that you have to do is use 100 Robux and you will be able to acquire the Soul Color Selection Game Pass. Upon acquiring this Game Pass, like I mentioned, you will be able to change the color of your soul by speaking to the question mark NPC in the Fractured Realm or the Purgatory. The color is going to be used for a multitude of visuals across the game, for example, the flame colors of Dullahans. But once you acquire the Game Pass, you join the experience, and you encounter yourself on the Fractured Realm, all that you have to do afterwards is interact with the entity here, the triple question mark, and then you will be able to get your soul color changed. Now, unfortunately, like I mentioned, I won't be able to demonstrate this process in full. I don't have the Game Pass on this character, but you will be able to find it here and get your soul color changed. After you acquire the Game Pass, you will be able to use it for the specific character that you purchased it on, so just make sure that you join the experience and you go over to the Purgatory. The easiest way to get to the Purgatory will be by just going over to the fire by the blacksmith. After you corrupt your crystal 3 times, so you lose all of your lives, you will find yourself the Purgatory, where you will be able to manage the soul color by speaking to the entity. I hope I was able to help you on how to change soul color in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.